Hey guys, it's Sean here, about ready to do the giveaway for January. We're going to announce the winners. Are you guys excited? I think I'm excited. But let me show you this real painting real quick here. I just did this painting last night. It's a little beach scene, got a little shallow water, nice little liquid water. It's a nice like Caribbean beach scene with the really crystal clear water. No one believes it looks like that, but it really looks like that, guys. So if you ever come to the Caribbean, I'm in Florida, but anywhere, Bahamas, Puerto Rico, well, Puerto Rico's not really, well, yeah, Puerto Rico's Caribbean still. Colombia, Mexico, Costa Rica, you're gonna have this beautiful water on the Caribbean side. You guys are like, who cares? Let's get to the painting, Sean. All right, let's get to the paintings, guys. I moved them out of order. All right, I got the painting here. So, the number 4 painting was this painting, a little volcano with night sky. This is called Milky Way Galaxy Bar. And the winner is Rachel Edmondson. Rachel Edmondson, you won this painting. So check out your email and reply back. All right, now we're on to number 3 painting. The number 3 painting is this little sunset with the sailboat. So I really like this. I think it's a really high quality painting. Really nice 8x10, normally worth $50. And the winner for this is Kylan Becker. You won this sunset painting. So send me an email, respond to the email that we're gonna send out, and I'll get back to you. Now we want to get to number 2 painting. So it's a little bit a lighthouse painting with a skiscape, kind of a nice northwest, northeast painting. In the northeast where you got the Atlantic, you have this really dark blue ocean. You don't have that light blue that you have in the Caribbean, a little bit different style of ocean. Really nice sunset here with the lighthouse here. So, you know, I like it. I think it's pretty good. And the number 2 painting winner is Samantha Gladden. So you won this painting, Samantha Gladden. Respond to my email and I'll send you the details on that. Now we're waiting on the number 1 winner. Let me show you that painting. So if you remember, of course I got this upside down, but I never prepared this right. All right, so let's flip this around. I think it's about the same one. Abstract, you can flip it any way you want. But it's this huge painting here. This is a 4x4 painting. You can see it's quite large. And we do some of the detail shot. You can get the real detail. And let me go up a little bit. Not really getting the full scheme. Okay, let me go a little higher. And let me go to the bottom. Let's see here. The bottom of the painting, you can see it's really large because it's hard to work with. It's definitely 4 feet by 4 feet. And that's in my dazzling drip style. So, did you win the painting? Who won the painting? Sean, tell us. All right, I'll tell you. So, the number 1 painter for that large 4x4 painting is Jessica Vargas. So, Jessica Vargas, it might be this way. Sometimes the film is weird and it doesn't show it the right way, but Jessica Vargas, respond to my email I'll be sending out. And remember, some of these people will not respond and I'll have to go to the runner-up. It's happened in before. People don't respond to email. They put a fake email. I don't know why they do that, but stay tuned. And for all the people that didn't qualify, there is a special discount code. So check out your email and I'll see it there. Thanks, guys.